Hey guys, geek into everyone. On this video I'm gonna tell you about my 1 month Python course, and today is day number 17. So let's start. And we're gonna start with the checking my plan. Okay, today is day number 17, and the topic is decorators, understanding and implementing decorators in Python. So I'm gonna copy this topic and I'm gonna go to ChatGPT, and what I'm gonna do is asking chatbot for providing information for this topic. Okay, I remove day number 17 and I add practical example. So I press enter and we are waiting for ChatGPT reply. Okay, here we go. ChatGPT finished its reply and I'm zoom it in. Okay, decorators are a powerful feature in Python that allow you to modify the behavior of functions or classes without directly changing their source code. They provide a way to add additional functionality to existing functions or classes by wrapping them into another. Decorators are widely used in Python, especially in frameworks and libraries, to implement cross-cutting concerns such as logging, authentication, caching, and more. Understanding decorators. Decorators in Python are functions that takes another function as input and return a new function. The new function usually enhances or modifies the behavior of the original function. Decorators are applied using the add symbol. I highlight the text, this symbol, followed by the decorator name on a line above the function definition. Here is example to illustrate the basic structure of a decorator. Okay, you can see the code. I highlight the text. In the example above, the decorator function is defined as a decorator. So decorator function here is a decorator. It takes the my function as the argument and return the wrapper function, which adds additional functionality before and after calling my function. And there is a decorator function. The parameter is original function, and there is a wrapper function which performs some actions before the original function. There is a print function which print this line, and after the calling of original function, this one, and after that they perform some actions after the original function. There is a print function and it's a print this line. Okay, and in the end we return the wrapper function, this one. So by calling this function we return this code, and with the calling original function and also extra uh, action, extra code, this function and this function as well. To implement the decorator, we use add symbol followed by decorator name, add decorator function, directly above my function definition. This syntax is equivalent to calling my function equal decorator function my function. You see here, there is we define my function, and if you want to decorate this function, we use this syntax. So we write add symbol and then decorate the name of decorator function. When my function is called, it's actually the wrapper function that gets executed, and it wraps the original function with the desired functionality. Okay, practical examples of decorators. First of all, it's logging. Decorators can be used to log function calls, providing a convenient way to track the execution of functions. Here's example. You see an example here. And timing. Decorators can be used to measure the execution time of functions. Here is an example. There is an example here. In the example above, the timer decorator measures the execution time of the calculate factorial function and prints it to the console. These are just a few examples of how decorators can be used in Python. They offer a flexible way to modify and extend the behavior of functions or classes, making code more modular, reusable, and maintainable. Decorators are a powerful tool in Python, and understanding them can greatly enhance your ability to write efficient and elegant code. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Now you know what is a decorators and how you can use it. And go ahead and open a ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT about additional information about decorators. I see you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.